Ciao! Benvenuto! I'm Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina, and today we're going to show you a simple, delicious, healthy salad you can have anytime. I'm going to show you around the horn. Come on in. Right here, look what this is. This is a chopped red onion, and in Italian, it's a Chipola. That's right. And in Italian, it's Chipola Rosa. Then right next to here we have tomatoes and Pomodoros. And then look what's right next to them. Look at these Pomodoros, these tomatoes. Oh my God, this is from our victory garden. The victory garden that we did all by ourselves. And I am so excited about that. Then we're gonna go back down, and over here, we're gonna show you the cucumbers right here. And the cucumbers are an English cucumber, and they are called in Italian Secriolo inglese. Secriolo inglese. And I'm going to show you, see the stripes that are right on there? Okay, look at this. I use just a regular potato peeler to go ahead and make the stripes. And the reason I do the stripes is just to kind of make it a little prettier, you know, just a little prettier. And then we have some over here, some balsamic. That's right, your regular balsamic, and in Italian it's balsamico. And then next to that, we have a glaze, smolto. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it all together for you, but I forgot to show you one thing. Over here, a little bit of pepper. Yeah, pepper, that's it, a little bit of pepper. Okay, so I think we should go in and go ahead and put it together for you. What do you think, right? Here we go, let's dive in. It doesn't make any difference what you do. Just put it here, we'll put in the Chipola Rosa, and then we'll put some Pomodoros, the tomatoes, just like so. Look at that, look how beautiful they look. Oh my gosh, right? And then over here, we're gonna go and we're gonna get some Secriolo. That's Secriolo in Italian. Hey, Maron, Secriolo inglese. I love to say that, I love it in Italian, okay? We'll go ahead and put that in here just like this, okay? And then we don't wanna mix it up just yet with a spoon, because we don't want to tear up the tomatoes. We want to keep those whole. Okay, so I'm going to come over and get the balsamic right here, the balsamico, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pour it all on. Now you'll have the directions and the amount in the description, okay? So you pour it in like that, and then I come over and I get the balsamic glaze, and this is the smolto glaze. And I just go ahead and I just pour it on. Look at that. Pour it on. Look how easy this is. My goodness gracious me. And like I said, I will have the description of all the ingredients on our website. And our website, of course, you guys know this is our brand new website, vitositaliancucina.com. Come visit us, subscribe. And by the way, up in the right-hand corner, it says, ask Vito a question. That's me. Go ahead, get in there, ask me a question. I'd love to talk to you guys, because I can talk to you anytime that way. A little bit of pepe at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna use our automatic pepper. Look at it, listen to the sound of that. And right now, we'll just put a little bit of pepper to start with. Don't want to go too much, because then we can always put more. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it up, and here we go. Look at how easy this is. Look at how easy this is. And look how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Bella. C'è la luna, mezzo mare, mamma mia, mare dare. Figlio mio, cucciarara, mamma mia, such a do. Cicciarone la musicante, ite bene, semene struna la vena bella. Isn't it pretty? All right. I think it is. Anyway, so there it is. It's all mixed up, ready to go, folks, just like that. Now, what I want you to do with this, go ahead and cover it, put it in the refrigerator, take it out when it's nice and chilled, and serve it to your friends and family and your neighbors. My God. Maron, arrivederci for Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao for now.